Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already having a profound impact on our lives. And as AI continues to evolve, it is only going to become more powerful and more pervasive. One area where AI is poised to have a major impact is marketing. For decades, marketers have relied on their intuition and experience to reach their target audiences. But in today's digital age, that is no longer enough. The sheer volume of data that is now available is simply too much for any human to process. This is where AI comes in. AI can help marketers to make sense of this data and use it to create more effective marketing campaigns. AI can help marketers to better understand their customers. By analyzing customer data, AI can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to spot. This information can then be used to create more targeted and personalized marketing messages. AI can automate marketing tasks such as email marketing and social media marketing. This frees up marketers to focus on more strategic tasks. The potential of AI in marketing is enormous. By embracing AI, marketers can gain a significant competitive advantage. AI is already being used by marketers in a variety of ways. Some of the most common applications of AI in marketing include personalized recommendations. AI can be used to provide customers with personalized product and service recommendations. This is done by analyzing customer data, such as their past purchase history, browsing behavior, and demographics. Companies like Amazon and Netflix are already using AI to power their recommendation engines. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide customer support, answer questions, and even generate leads. Chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and are now able to hold conversations that are indistinguishable from human conversations. Programmatic advertising AI is being used to automate the process of buying and selling ad space. Programmatic advertising platforms use AI to target ads to the right people at the right time, which can significantly improve the effectiveness of advertising campaigns. Content marketing AI can be used to create targeted and engaging content. For example, AI can be used to generate blog posts, articles, and even videos. Predictive analytics. AI can be used to predict future customer behavior. This information can then be used to improve marketing campaigns, target new customers, and even develop new products and services. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used in marketing today. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and effective applications of AI in marketing. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into marketing strategies, it's essential to understand the different types of AI applications and how they can be leveraged effectively. To navigate this landscape, a framework based on two key dimensions is helpful: intelligence level and integration. Intelligence level distinguishes between task automation and machine learning. Task automation focuses on automating repetitive tasks, using pre-programmed rules. Machine learning, on the other hand, enables AI to learn from data and improve its performance over time. Integration differentiates between standalone and integrated applications. Standalone AI tools operate independently, while integrated applications seamlessly connect with existing marketing systems, such as CRM and marketing automation platforms. By combining these two dimensions, we can categorize AI marketing applications into four distinct types. Standalone task automation. This category includes basic chatbots and simple email automation tools. These applications are relatively easy to implement and can provide immediate value by automating repetitive tasks. Integrated task automation. This type involves connecting task automation with other marketing systems. For example, inbound call routing can be integrated with CRM to provide a more seamless customer experience. Standalone machine learning. This category includes AI tools that use machine learning to perform specific tasks, such as image recognition or natural language processing. For example, Olay's Skin Advisor app uses machine learning to analyze selfies and provide personalized skincare recommendations. Integrated machine learning. This represents the most sophisticated level of AI marketing, where machine learning is integrated into core marketing processes. Examples include predictive lead scoring in CRM, AI-powered sales coaching, and programmatic ad buying platforms. Understanding this framework enables CMOs and marketing leaders to identify the most appropriate AI applications for their specific needs and objectives. Numerous companies across various industries are already leveraging AI to enhance their marketing efforts and achieve impressive results. These real-world examples illustrate the transformative potential of AI in action. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, utilizes AI-powered recommendation engines to provide personalized product suggestions to its vast customer base. By analyzing browsing history, purchase patterns, and demographic data, Amazon's AI algorithms can accurately predict and recommend products that align with individual customer preferences, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Netflix, the streaming entertainment platform, relies heavily on AI to drive its content recommendations and personalization strategies. By analyzing viewing habits, ratings, and genre preferences, Netflix's AI algorithms can suggest movies and shows that resonate with individual users, enhancing engagement and reducing churn. Sephora, the beauty retailer, has implemented an AI-powered chatbot called Sephora Virtual Artist that allows customers to virtually try on makeup products using augmented reality. This innovative application of AI enhances the customer experience, provides personalized recommendations, and drives sales conversions. Stitch Fix, the online personal styling service, leverages AI to curate personalized clothing selections for its clients. By analyzing style preferences, body type, and lifestyle data, Stitch Fix's AI algorithms can accurately predict and recommend clothing items that meet individual needs and tastes. These examples demonstrate how AI is not just a futuristic concept but a present-day reality that is transforming the marketing landscape. By embracing AI, companies can gain a competitive edge, enhance customer experiences, and drive business growth. Section 5. A step-by-step guide to AI implementation. Starting simple. Implementing AI in marketing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be an overwhelming undertaking. By adopting a step-by-step approach, CMOs can gradually introduce AI into their marketing strategies and scale up as their confidence and expertise grow. First, identify opportunities. Begin by identifying areas within your marketing operations where AI can make a tangible difference. Focus on tasks that are repetitive, data-intensive, or require significant manual effort. Examples include email marketing automation, customer segmentation, and lead scoring. Second, start with standalone applications. Initially, opt for standalone AI tools that address specific needs without requiring complex integration. This allows your team to gain experience with AI and witness its benefits without disrupting existing workflows. Simple chatbots, social media scheduling tools, and content generation platforms are good starting points. Third, prioritize data quality. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. Ensure that your customer data is accurate, complete, and relevant. Invest in data cleansing and enrichment tools to improve data quality. Fourth, pilot and test. Before fully implementing any AI solution, conduct thorough pilots and A/B tests to evaluate its effectiveness. Measure key performance indicators or KPIs and compare results against traditional methods to assess the impact of AI. Fifth, integrate gradually. As your team gains experience and confidence, gradually integrate AI into more complex marketing processes. This may involve connecting AI tools with your CRM, marketing automation platform, or other systems. And finally, provide training. Invest in training and development programs to equip your marketing team with the necessary skills and knowledge to work effectively with AI. This includes data analysis, AI principles, and ethical considerations. By following this step-by-step approach, CMOs can navigate the AI implementation journey with greater confidence and maximize the chances of success. Section 6. The fuel of AI, emphasizing data, quality, and sources. Data is the lifeblood of AI. The effectiveness of any AI system hinges on the quality, relevance, and volume of data it is trained on. For CMOs looking to harness the power of AI in marketing, prioritizing data quality and diversifying data sources are paramount. High-quality data is accurate, complete, consistent, and relevant to the specific marketing objectives. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to biased or erroneous results, rendering AI-powered insights useless or even detrimental. CMOs should invest in data cleansing and enrichment tools to identify and rectify errors, fill in missing values, and ensure data consistency. Furthermore, expanding data sources beyond traditional customer relationship management systems can provide a more comprehensive view of customer behavior and preferences. Incorporating data from website analytics, social media interactions, and even external sources like market research reports can enrich AI models and enhance their predictive capabilities. However, data collection must always adhere to ethical considerations and privacy regulations. CMOs should prioritize transparency, obtain explicit consent from customers, and anonymize or pseudonymize data whenever possible to protect individual privacy. By focusing on data quality and leveraging diverse data sources, CMOs can fuel their AI initiatives with the information necessary to drive accurate insights, personalized experiences, and successful marketing outcomes. Section 7. Challenges and risks, navigating the potential pitfalls of AI in marketing. While the potential benefits of AI in marketing are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the challenges and risks associated with its implementation. CMOs need to be aware of these potential pitfalls and develop strategies to mitigate them effectively. Integration complexity. Integrating AI tools into existing marketing ecosystems can be complex and time-consuming. Compatibility issues, data silos, and the need for technical expertise can pose significant challenges. CMOs should carefully evaluate the integration capabilities of AI solutions and ensure they align with their existing infrastructure. Data security and privacy. As AI relies heavily on data, ensuring data security and privacy is paramount. CMOs must implement robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive customer information from breaches and comply with data protection regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms can inherit biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to discriminatory or unfair outcomes. CMOs should be vigilant in identifying and mitigating bias in their AI systems by carefully selecting training data, promoting algorithmic transparency, and implementing mechanisms for bias detection and correction. Lack of transparency. Some AI algorithms, particularly deep learning models, can be opaque, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This lack of transparency can create challenges in explaining AI-driven outcomes to stakeholders and addressing potential biases or errors. CMOs should strive for explainable AI by using interpretable models or developing methods to understand and communicate AI decision-making processes. Job displacement. The automation capabilities of AI have raised concerns about potential job displacement in the marketing industry. CMOs should address these concerns by focusing on how AI can augment human capabilities rather than replace them. Upskilling and reskilling employees to work alongside AI systems will be crucial for a successful AI-driven marketing strategy. By proactively addressing these challenges and risks, CMOs can harness the power of AI in marketing while mitigating potential negative consequences. Section 8. Ethics in the Age of AI Marketing, a non-negotiable imperative. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into marketing practices, ethical considerations are no longer optional but rather a non-negotiable imperative. CMOs have a responsibility to ensure that AI is used responsibly, transparently, and in a manner that respects customer privacy and autonomy. Transparency and explainability. CMOs should strive for transparency in their AI-driven marketing campaigns. Customers should be informed when AI is being used to personalize their experiences or target them with advertisements. Additionally, CMOs should be prepared to explain how AI algorithms are being used and address any concerns about potential bias or discrimination. Privacy and data protection. Protecting customer data is paramount. CMOs must ensure that AI systems comply with all relevant data privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA. Data collection should be transparent, and customers should have control over how their data is used. Fairness and non-discrimination. AI algorithms should be designed and trained to avoid perpetuating or amplifying existing societal biases. CMOs should actively monitor AI systems for signs of bias and take corrective action to ensure fairness and equal treatment for all customers. Accountability and oversight. CMOs should establish clear lines of accountability for AI-driven marketing decisions. Internal review boards or ethics committees can provide oversight and guidance to ensure responsible AI practices. Customer empowerment. Empowering customers to understand and control their AI-powered experiences is crucial. CMOs should provide customers with options to opt out of AI-driven personalization or access information about how their data is being used. By embedding ethical considerations into every stage of the AI marketing lifecycle, CMOs can build trust with their customers, mitigate risks, and ensure the long-term success of their AI initiatives. Section 9. The future of AI in marketing, a transformative journey. The integration of AI into marketing is still in its early stages, but its transformative potential is undeniable. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can anticipate even more innovative and impactful applications in the years to come. Hyper-personalization AI will enable marketers to deliver hyper-personalized experiences tailored to individual customer preferences, behaviors, and contexts. From dynamic website content and product recommendations, to highly targeted advertising and predictive customer service, AI will create seamless and engaging customer journeys. Voice and visual search optimization. As voice assistants and visual search technologies become increasingly ubiquitous, AI will be crucial for optimizing marketing content for these new modalities. CMOs will need to understand how consumers use voice and visual search to discover products and services and adapt their strategies accordingly. AI-powered content creation. AI is already being used to generate marketing copy, translate languages, and even create video content. As AI technology matures, we can expect even more sophisticated and creative applications in content marketing, freeing up human marketers to focus on strategy and ideation. Predictive customer analytics. AI will empower marketers with even greater predictive capabilities, enabling them to anticipate customer needs, identify potential churn risks, and proactively address customer issues before they escalate. This will lead to more effective customer retention strategies and improved customer lifetime value. The future of AI in marketing is bright, but it's not without its challenges. CMOs who embrace AI, invest in data quality, prioritize ethical considerations, and foster a culture of innovation will be best positioned to harness its power and shape the future of customer engagement. By embracing the transformative potential of AI, marketers can create more meaningful customer relationships, drive business growth, and navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape with confidence and agility.